Cheers everyone. Who doesn't love a cup of tea? Like, this is life, my cup of tea life. Good morning everyone. I'm looking a bit worse for wear because I thought I'd bring you on my skincare routine. So it's morning at the minute. I don't know about you guys, does your eyes, my eyes always go red after having a shower? Does anyone else's eyes do this, or am I just a weirdo? But yeah, I thought I'd show you my morning skincare to evening routine. My skincare routine basically, AM to PM. I was drinking last night, so I'm a bit tired to be honest. I'm a bit hangover. I think I look really bad. I look so bad. Right, anyway, so to start off with my skincare in the morning, I use this serum. This is my daily morning serum. It's by Glam. This is really expensive, but it's really good. Like, I highly recommend this, and it lasts ages. Like, I'm running out. Well, I'm not. I've got half a bottle left, but I love it. So I put this on, and I don't tend to tone my face in the morning. I always do that in the evening, so you'll see that later. But yeah, this is Glam Arbor Royal Double R Renew and Repair Serum. But I love it. So I put a few pumps on my hand, and then I just put this all over my face. I just love it so much. And it smells amazing. It smells absolutely amazing. Feeling fresh. The only thing I don't have, by the way, in my skincare routine is a good eye cream. So if you have any recommendations, please leave them in the comments below, because I'm in desperate need of an eye cream. That's step one. And then step two in the morning, all I use is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Yogurt Body Cream. Normal to dry skin. So I have dry skin. My skin is always dry, and it gets dry around here and under my chin. I don't know, and on the top of my eyes sometimes. Does anyone else have dry skin? And I can't get rid of it. So, but this helps to get rid of it, and I use this every day without fail. So I just put a few pumps on and blob it around my face. But this is really good as well if you have eczema or allergics to stuff. So I can't use any Nivea products, because whatever they've got in them like flares my skin up. So I think they're quite perfumey. I think that's why I can't use them. So my skin is very delicate, so I can't use any of that stuff because it would just irritate it. So if you don't want a product with a lot of like stuff in it, I don't know what to call it, like, I don't know, fragrance or non-sensitive, then I recommend Aveeno products, because I just recommend that anyone can use them. There's no like weird stuff in the formula, and it's paraben free, so I just love it. So yeah, this is what all I do in the morning, is just put this serum on and some moisturizer. So it's currently about 9 o'clock, and I'll start my skincare routine at about 6 tonight. So I'll bring you along the journey to that. You will literally see it in 5 minutes because you're on a video, but I'll come back to you, see what my hair's looking like. Oh yeah, I've obviously just had a shower, so I'll probably have a bath tonight as well, because I'm furloughed and there's nothing to do, so I just shower and bath because I'm a cool kitten. I'm a cool kitten. all you cool cats and kittens out there. If you watch Joe Exotic, you know what I'm on about. But yeah, every time I have a shower, like, my eyes are just red. And I'm talking funny, well, I feel like I'm talking funny, because I can't breathe. My hay fever is like, I never get it. And this year, I'm literally like, I can't do anything. But yeah, anyway, I will see you tonight to do my evening skincare.
5 hours later.
I'm back. It's now 7 o'clock at night. I've just had my bath. So I'm going to do my skincare. I will do this routine every other day. I do my evening products every day, but I'm going to do a face mask because I feel like I need it. The face mask that I do use religiously, and I love it, is this Glam Glow one. So it's a gravity mud firming treatment mask, and I've had this for about 6 months now. It lasts really well. I've just got the mini version because they are quite pricey and I didn't know if they'll be any good. I've got the black one as well, but I wasn't a massive fan. I don't know if it's because it didn't come with one of these little brushes. But yeah, I do a face mask. I try to at least do a face mask once a week. But if I can, I try and do it 2 times a week. So yeah, I'm just going to use this one today. So if you can see, I don't know if you see, like, it's really nearly empty, which is really sad because I really like this one. And I'm probably going to have to repurchase it. And it's quite pricey. So all I do is literally paint it on like so. This one's also really cool because when it dries you can actually peel it off, which I'll show you. I've got that TikTok song in my head, you know, the one where it goes do 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 do. It's doing my head in, like I've got it in my head. I don't know whether to do that dance on TikTok. I feel like I'm not very good at dancing, and I don't know. Let me know if you want me to do a TikTok dance, kids, in the description bar below. I haven't been on TikTok in a while, actually. I need to create a TikTok video, I think. I feel like it's about time. I leave this on for about 10 minutes or so. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos on my bed while it's drying and just relax. I'm not gonna put any cucumbers on my eyes because I don't have any cucumber and I don't like cucumber either. Little fact about me. It's dry and I'll come back and show you the rest of my skincare and how I take it off once it's dry. And as you can see, it's all dry. So all I'm going to do is try and peel this off. So you have to find like a little bit to peel off. This, to be fair, is so satisfying. Like, and your face when it comes off, oh, is so nice and soft. Feels weird though, because it feels like you're peeling off your face. But it's just so much easier than like in a cloth and things like that. It's just so easy. And I don't know if you can see the difference, but it looks and feels amazing. like my skin is so soft. Like if you could feel my skin through the screen, like it's so nice. And then, so for the bits that get stuck, I'm just gonna take some of my micellar water on a pad to just take the excess off. But the majority does actually come off. So yeah, I'm just gonna take some of this with a cotton pad to get rid of the excess. I need to get more of this as well, running out. Story of my life right now, running out of everything. And then I just wipe this. I like to do this all over my face as well, just to make sure it's all clean and prepped for my next step. So that is my first step in my evening section of this routine. For my next product, I am going to tone my face. So I'm using the Ren Ready Steady Glow toner. If I'm honest, this isn't my favourite toner, but it's the only one I have and I'm going to use it because I need to get rid of it. So I've been using it for a while. It smells nice because it's an orange scent. It has an orange scent to it. But when you put it on, like, you can feel like it feels like it's doing something. I think that's why I don't like it. I do like though that it has this pump. I think that is a winner chicken dinner. I wish all Fit products had one of these if you've got toner. So I just pump 3 pumps onto one of these cloths and just put this around my face. So when this goes over like a spot or something, I don't know if it's because I've got dry skin and irritable skin, but it feels like a tingling sensation. I don't know if anyone else has this product, let me know if it does this to you or if it's just my skin. So when I put this on, I try and avoid the eye area because I'm not sure. Maybe that's how it's supposed to work. Maybe that's what it's doing. It's doing its job. But I do love, can't speak. I do love the smell of this. It says press down on well pump with cotton pad until saturated. Swipe onto clean skin over the face and neck, day and night, avoiding the eye area. Follow with your regular skincare routine. Yeah, so you're not supposed to put it near your eyes. So it's good for, I had it to hand, so this is the one I'm using currently. I do need a new one. I don't know what brand like toner to get. I've never heard anyone say like they love a toner, so, but it does its job. Not getting any wrinkles so far at 25. So that's good. Then for my serum, I use this one at night. It's the Advanced Night Repair. I love this product. I think it does its job. It has a pipette, which I like, and it's really satisfying to put on your face when you've got a pipette. So I just pop this on my face like so. This smells absolutely amazing. Like, I love the smell of this. And all it says to apply this, apply on skin before your moisturiser. So I love this at night and makes my face feel nice and soft. Then for my night cream, this is the one I've been loving. This is the one I've been loving at the minute. It's Elemis Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream, anti-wrinkle night cream. So I love this product, even though it is a dip in. It's a dip in, which That's the only thing I would say I don't like. I like pumps, but I like all of, so this one, if you can see, I've been using this for a while. During the night is skin's optimal time to regenerate. So it doesn't actually say how to use it. Reveal a firmer looking radiant complexion, helps delay signs of wrinkles. So that's a good thing, right? We all want to delay the wrinkles. And as well, I like the smell of this as well. Basically, I like the smell of all these products. But I feel like once I've done this routine, I feel like I've gone to a spa. And my face goes so red and a nice warm colour, like I've just had a facial. The only thing I am missing from my skincare routine is an eye cream. So if any of you have a good one, let me know in the comments below. I don't know if I said that earlier. I might have two of me saying, I need an eye cream, I need an eye cream. But you might not. You might not. The only thing about this product, it is quite on the pricey end. But it is good investment. Like, I've had this for about a couple of months and it's still going strong. So, because you don't need much and you only put it on at night. But if you can't afford a night cream, then all you need to do is put Vaseline on your face. That really helps as well, prevent any wrinkles and stuff. But I think you have to do that from a young age. So that is that. And then the last thing on my skincare list, and what I do, is I put some lip balm on. So it's nothing too out there. I use the Elizabeth Arden lip balm. And I just pop this on my lips. If you're looking for a good lip balm, I highly recommend this product because you don't have to put your finger in it. It's clear, looks like this, and it does the job. Like, I haven't had chapped lips in so long because I use this product every night. And you can put it on as well before like lip gloss and stuff. I do that as well to help it glide on. So yeah, this is my skincare routine. Let me know in the comments below a great eye cream that I want, because I need to try. Because like my eyes, it has to be as well for sensitive skin, because like that's just me. Like, I can't have any products. So I'm just going to put it out there. No Nivea products, because they do not work with me at all. I don't get how anyone can use their products because they're disgusting on me and on my face. Because I tried it and I came up with so many rashes and I was like, ooh. But yeah, let me know in the comments below of a good eye cream for sensitive skin, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.